Hello everyone, this is Tom Rowe, Product Evangelist for CentreStack, and welcome to another CentreStack tutorial. We have a user, her name is Alice, and she needs to get access to the team folders so she can collaborate with our team in CentreStack. And she has a Windows machine, it's a Windows 10 machine, and she could of course easily log in using the web portal. But we also want her to have access through our Windows client. So this is how we set that up. Now over here on my other machine, I'm logged in as the Acme admin, the person who is the tenant administrator for this Acme Systems domain. And he is going to make sure that Alice has an account. So we're going to go over here and make sure that Alice Doe is all set up, has a user account. She's an AD user. So she's all connected. That's good. Also, we wanted to make sure that Alice will have access to our team share, like this SA share. It says everybody, administrators. Okay, so she should be included in this group of collaborators because she's an Active Directory user. So I'm going to jump over to the Windows 10 machine. And here's Alice. She's all logged in, and you can see that she does indeed have access to the server agent share. So she can modify and update files. But let's go in here, and you can see that under the user icon, Alice can download a server or desktop client. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to go to, you can see this client is for all of these versions of Windows. I'm going to make sure I've got the correct version and hit download. Then I run this MSI here. So it only takes a few seconds for the client to install. So it gave me a bad token responser. That's because we had already had it installed once, and I've uninstalled it and reinstalled it for this demonstration. So we just have to make sure that the access point is correct, whether that be an IP address or a domain. And we want to enter the password for Alice. And we've got auto logon set. Acme Systems system is online. So we can see the little icon for the cloud drive here. If I click that with my left button, I could see activities that have taken place. I can access my local folder, my cloud drive, which is my cloud drive M. And there's all the files and folders that I have access to. This is my personal pictures in my documents folder. If I go inside here, I can create a file. Alice document. Okay, go ahead and open that up. Add some content. Okay, we'll just save that. It's a 50K file, so we can see that there's one subtask pending. We can see that that Alice document has been updated. So I'm going to open up Firefox, and I'm going to go to my IP address. So Alice can log in. So if she were on another computer, she could do this. I'm doing it here in another browser to demonstrate the same effect. So now Alice has access from a different location, theoretically, and she could see her document. She could download it there and edit it locally. So if I wanted to edit with a local application, I could do that. So here I am, editing my document. Okay, Alice document saved locally. It will upload to the account in 30 seconds. So now if we were in another location or on a mobile device, for instance, Alice would be able to get access to those changes. So I'll jump over to another machine, and we'll just log in here. So as you can see, there's the edit that Alice did, and so this gives Alice access to the CentreStack server team folders, and she could do a lot of other things as well. Let me demonstrate a couple. So in her team folder here, she could just go to her C drive, and she could right-click a folder, and she could attach this folder to Acme Systems and give it a name that works for her. Hit finish. Okay, so that folder in the background will be attached and uploaded, giving her access to that folder from any location. So if she logs back into her web portal from another location, now we can see that Alice has access to her Alice Project Files folder, and she can get in there and manipulate files and edit project files, things like that. And it does give Alice collaborative access to her team. Letting your Windows users install our Windows client and gain access to a collaborative team environment and their files online without the use of a virtual private network. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and that it was helpful. If it was, please like and share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.